Welcome to Global Risk Community Chat. Today our guest is Aliya Grig. I'm very happy to have you here today, Aliya. Welcome.
Yeah, hi. Great to be here with you. Thank you for the invitation.
Thank you as well. So before we get into our topic for today, can you briefly introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. My name is Aliya Grig. I'm a tech entrepreneur with a 14 years background, previously launching startups in the field of renewable energy and space tech. And for the last 6 years, I'm working in my own deep tech company in the field of empathetic AI technologies. Yeah, and I have two successful exits from my previous startups and previously worked with NASA, European Space Agency, and Boeing.
Sounds very interesting. Of course, like AI, especially, and also topics related, space and aviation are very trending right now. But what topic you like to share with us today?
Yeah, sure. So today I would like to share about the future of AI technologies and specifically of creating conscious AI and empathetic AI and how it can benefit both businesses, individuals, and how it can change current markets.
Sounds good. Then let's jump right into it. So, what would be some key things when it comes to this? How do you, ensure that you can create such AI?
So the key things in the existing technologies market. So and what's that's basically what my team is working on right now. So in AI field, like there was lots of changes in the last 6 months because it was launched Chat GPT technology, Bing, the new search engine of the Microsoft, Google launched their own also Lambda model with also a new search engine, and there was a huge change in the market of the conversational AI and specifically large language models. And this trend it shows a huge prediction for future changes because each year it will be more and more growth in AI technologies and how they will change overall the landscape of existing businesses and existing opportunities. So specifically what we are working right now with the team, it's three core directions for the future of AI technologies. So the first thing is personalization because okay, currently we have lots of different language models, generative image models like DALI and Midjourney, so when you can create various content. So the next step will be a personalization of all these tools for your needs and how it will work. So currently you have like lots of different instruments, but none of the technologies or search engines doesn't know your interests, your background, it doesn't remember the story what you, for example, talked to Chat GPT. But the future trend will be a creation of this personalized experience and, for example, communication with a chatbot or research engine because it will tailor all the experience to your needs, to your background, to your profile. And we are currently working on the solution of personalization of all the communication, of all the experience, of all the search engines specifically for you. So it will be a huge reduction, for example, of your own time to filter all the information because that will do, for example, our chatbot will do this for you and our search platform because it will optimize all the information specifically designed for you. So it will basically work as a recommendational algorithm by Netflix, where it doesn't show you all the movies, but it shows you specifically the movies that you are interested in and that will benefit you more. Then second thing that will be in the landscape of AI technologies is showing more, I would say, aggregation of different types of language models, different sound models, text to video, image generation models to one specific like kind of like workplace. Because currently it's challenging for for ordinary users to get understand like all the possibilities of what's going on right now, and soon it will be kind of like one workspace, so in the format of Uber, that will kind of like provide the possibility for designers to collaborate and to use all the opportunities for content creators of different models. Then the third block is creation of the AGI, so it's artificial general intelligence. So it's a new generation of AI that will help to solve like different challenging global things, like kind of like help to live us longer, healthier, and happier. And for this direction, we are currently working in the field of embodied AI and reinforcement learning. And these tools will provide opportunities for AI not just to generate, for example, any text or any content or any image, but will help to create on its own and will help to design on its own using lots of data. So I don't want to dig to lots of technical details, but currently what AI is doing, it's only search information and just generate replies to you or generate pictures. And what we are currently training AI to be is to create on his own. And this is kind of like, I suppose, will be a breakthrough for the next 3 to 5 years. And all this will help to change the global landscape of how it helps businesses and individuals. So first of all, it will reflect on the industry of content creation, customer support, and sales management, because all of this will help through AI models. It will help to provide a truly personalized experience for users and personalized communication, personalized approach. And then, of course, it will help to reduce costs in the companies for content creation, for sales management, for user support, and will benefit as a more personalized customer experience, which will engage retention and users conversion.
Yeah. Sounds very interesting. Obviously, I'm hearing a lot of, changes or like the future things you're also planning with AI. And I'm wondering, is it also going to be integration, like kind of like a integration with Web3, from my understanding as well? Because I imagine with a lot of our audience, Web3 is very vague as well. And then there are AI, a lot of different AI things coming in. So how does this tie with each other?
Yeah, sure. So Web3 will definitely have a huge impact to all this AI development. And what's definitely will be beneficial for AI, and we are also currently digging into this direction, is how to use blockchain technologies in order to provide, first of all, a possibility for individuals to collaborate on different AI technologies. So this is the first layer. Second layer is to how to provide an opportunity for individuals to use different generative models which people created. So it's basically a bit kind of like Bitcoin. Bitcoin was created and was launched in order to create new nodes for AI, because this again will benefit both the community and the AI. And the third layer is, of course, how blockchain will help in order to provide secure connections and secure data. Because, for example, what I mentioned in terms of personalization, it needs lots of safety, and I believe that only through blockchain we can provide safety for end users.
Yeah. Thank you for sharing that as well. So, my last question would be, what would be some takeaway points you can share with our audience regarding this or any additional information?
So you mean about AI in general, or
In general, if you were to give any thing for our audience to look forward to or keep paying attention to, what would that be regarding AI or anything else?
Well, there are a couple of interesting resources. Well, I definitely recommend to follow key people in AI field like Jan LeCun, Lex Friedman, uh, then Andrei Karpathy, Sam Altman. It's AI teams from Facebook, OpenAI, and MIT. I do recommend to follow myself, of course, in Twitter and LinkedIn, because I constantly post lots of updated information about AI technologies and what's going on in the AI field. And what I don't recommend, it's not to panic. Don't panic, and don't kind of like waste your time to trying to kind of like listening buzzwords and trying to create something like unusual based on this, because it's currently lots of hype around AI, and it's really, I highly recommend not to be kind of like a slave of this hype, but rather to create your own solutions and to use this possibility to benefit your company, your team, your business, or your current job activities.
Thank you for sharing that as well. And with that, we have unfortunately run out of our time. So I want to thank you so much again for joining us today, talking about this trending topic and a different aspect of it as well, what future holds outside of, the current technology. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you so much. It was great to talk to you.
You as well. Have a lovely day.